Hello everyone, I purchased this bus and it had been sitting since 2006. It didn't run. I towed it down to a mechanic, and after a lot of different services that it needed, it was running again, and running actually very well. Got a new battery, new fuel injectors, new fuel lines, new gas tank. It needed new distributor, a lot of new hoses, a rebuilt alternator, plenty of maintenance to get it going, but it ran fantastic. From there I took it to paint and body shop, where they started getting it ready for paint. While it was there, I also took out all the interior, ordered tires, ordered a tent, ordered all the chrome trim. Stay tuned for more. It's all done and looking beautiful. Can't wait to share it with you guys. Here's part 2 of the 1979 Poptop Westfalia restoration. Out of paint, went to our shop where we removed all the windows, put new seals, new taillight lenses, new headlight lenses, new chrome, new emblem, new bumpers, fresh new redone upholstery, new tires, new tent for the Poptop was installed. We also did a detailed cleaning of the interior, carpet, some repair on the wooden paneling there, front kick panels, new rubber floor mats. There's a photo with the tent, hubcaps on it, pretty clean here. Just needed to be detailed and cleaned up, and here it is, running back to life, looking great. Hope you enjoyed. Like and follow for more bus restorations.